Hi there. Does any of this apply to you? I know for me, all of it has applied at one point in time. And the solution that I have found that's worked is meal prepping. You can start small or you can meal prep the entire week. It is a game changer. You just have to plan once, grocery shop once, cook once, clean once, and you have all your food ready for you during the week. And after a long day of work, all you have to do is pull it together. It is such a game changer and it has made such a difference in my life. So if you're ready to change any of those situations, meal prep with me this week and let's get cooking. Okay, so for the meals this week, we're gonna have a smoothie for breakfast. It's just easy and it works, right? So smoothie for breakfast, a mid-morning snack. For lunch, we're gonna have salmon. I got some salmon from Costco. It's wild caught. And I got a couple of these and we're gonna use 2 different marinades so it doesn't get boring, right? So we'll use one that'll be like a chili, paprika, kind of spicy mixture. And then for like say 3 of the other fillets, then what we'll do is we'll do a lemon herb one. And these are all easy to make and rub on and let it marinate. So perfect. And then we'll do is, well, I'm gonna air fry these. You can cook them in the oven if you want, but I'm gonna air fry mine. So that'll be the lunch. And then we'll have a mid-afternoon snack. For dinner, we'll have a chicken salad. I picked up some chicken breasts from Costco. I get the organic chicken breasts. A lot of times I just use butcher box. That's what my preferred method is, but I didn't take it out in time, so I grabbed this today along with the salmon, so that was super easy. So when I wanna cook the chicken breast, I wanna make it kind of versatile. So with the salads, to make sure that those don't get boring, what we're gonna do is we're going to, you'll have your mixed greens and your romaine, whatever you like to use, or some spinach. And then you have your veggies. I'm gonna use some bell peppers and some onions and maybe some cucumbers. But the star of the salad will be, the chicken will be just salt and pepper and olive oil. That's the way we're gonna cook it. But the star is gonna be the dressing. You can use ranch, blue cheese, balsamic, vinaigrette, a red wine vinegar and oil, whatever you want, but mix it up during the week so you don't get bored. And these salads are so yummy. It's a great way to fill up at night and, but also not have a heavy stomach when you go to bed. So these are really good. So we're gonna cook the chicken first because it takes the longest, and then we'll cook the salmon along with the rest of the food. So let's go. Hi there. I hope that meal prep session went good and you feel like you're ready to meal prep your own food. So give it a try. To give you an update on how I'm doing, as a lot of you know, I'm trying to lose 20 pounds in 10 weeks. And so far, I've lost another 2.2 pounds this week. Super excited. I'm really happy, and I feel very thankful that I'm able to continue with this momentum. So please hit the subscribe button and hit the bell so that you know when my next meal prep session comes, and you can see where I'm doing with my goal and how things are going. And I hope that you are able to meal prep this week and you're able to sail through the week without any stress over food. See you next time.